To make macro photos with Motorola Moto G86 5G, first of all we need to open a camera app on our device. Next step is to click on this plant icon which enables a macro mode for our camera. Now to take the macro photos, first of all you need to make sure that you have enough light, otherwise those photos will be blurry. Another thing is to try to keep your camera very stable when you're actually taking photo, preferably use a stand or something like that along with the timer so that the photos will not be blurry. So I'm gonna try to photograph this miniature right here, and also I'm gonna try to photograph my skin. And as I said, I'm gonna bring up some light so we can actually see that miniature in detail. And we can grab our phone and put it really close to the object that we want to photograph. Probably you won't be able to see much what I'm doing here, but I will show you the results. So here's the focused photo. I'm taking a shot, and here we have the first photo. Then I'm gonna photograph my hand as well. So let's see how this will go. And also very close to camera, but this won't work as I already see. So okay, now let's sum up those photos that we've taken. Okay, so this is the photo that I took really close to my hand, and it's kind of out of focus and everything because I didn't have enough light to actually capture it properly. On the outside, when there's a clear daylight, then it should be fine. So here's another photo with light, which as you can see has already a bit more focus, and you can see the lines on my skin. Then there's the miniature photo. And here you can see every bit of detail and the dust on it. So this macro mode isn't the greatest, but it does its job at some level. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.